Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to send Emojis Monopoly Go. How to use emojis on Monopoly Go. Open the Monopoly Go app. Select the three lines in the upper right corner of the screen and navigate to My Showroom. Essentially, everything is located here. Tokens, shields, and an emoji section are some examples of what we have here. I have included one emoji here, so you can essentially use it right here if you wish to. The eye icon is located at the upper left corner of the screen. It says, collect emojis from events. After that, you can send emojis to friends to express your feelings. This is the newest feature of Monopoly Go. To use it, simply gather more emojis while playing events. You can try to attend a few different events right here. For example, there is currently a twinkle tree here, where landing on this board will earn you rewards and various emojis. There is also a Jingle Jam event here, where collecting this icon will earn you rewards. In addition, we have a board game called Rush, where you can play to win 30 dice rolls and 831,687 currently. To use this Monopoly Go emoji feature, all you have to do is to play on board. Thus, for instance, if you find yourself in the middle of a bank heist, you may essentially play this little game right now. For instance, I'd like to play this for a little while and receive a reward. If you start from this page, it will indicate at the bottom that you stole from Chris G and won this money. This means that an emote icon appears on your profile picture. So, if you tap on any of the emojis right here, they will see your response. Similarly, if you land on a shutdown event here, basically, if you are trying to shut down some landmarks again, it will show you that you were blocked by Kit and display your profile picture along with an emoji icon. So essentially select an emoji and email it to your buddies. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.